First, orient the latch body so that the embossed arrow points up. Then, insert the latch into the prepared door. Rotate the latch bolt until it is facing the right direction. Now fasten the faceplate to the door with the provided screws. From the inside of the door, thread the extension screw into the latch body. Next, carefully orient the spindle so that the deep grooves are on the same side as the set screw of the knob or lever. Note the half of the spindle that has notches and insert the opposite end into the latch from the inside of the door. From the outside of the door, slide the spindle clip over the end of the spindle to tightly secure it to the latch. Then, thread the blocking fastener into the latch body. Now install the outside lever rose subassembly onto the door with the privacy hole closest to the door edge. From the inside of the door, place the inside backplate onto the spindle, with the privacy hole closest to the door edge, then fasten it to the outside plate with the provided screws. With the privacy hole positioned close to the door edge, place the inside lever rose subassembly onto the spindle. Then, use the provided strap wrench to rotate the rose about 20 degrees, or until it clicks into place. Insert the privacy pin and thread it onto the extension screw. Now use the provided hex wrench to fasten the levers to the spindle with the set screws. Finally, test both levers for smooth operation of the latch and ensure that the latch bolt properly engages with the strike when the door is closed.